Such is life. The fortnight I come out once in a while to talk about things with the we consign or with the shook my beleko man. I salute every man and woman out there. Life issues is one thing we all must share together day in, day out. No one knows it all. Now when you write or listen to me, that is when you can easily occupy or engage some things that you thought you know before. The same time, if me also read your comment, will also help me to see some certain things that I thought maybe I'm doing it right. This is mean OC conflicts. Evanta. I want to salute our great Oba this very afternoon. Oba Atokbe is sir. Oba Atokbe is sir. Oba Atokbe is sir. I know say sometimes our people not they like to always they accept some certain things we did wrong. My purpose or reason why I just want to talk this afternoon, because the people who I want to really share these little things with, it can't be saying our mothers and our fathers. And I believe say I go use word where be say they go understand. And me too go they communicate. Then say where you they talk. Now let you one they understand what you they talk. Now I be say the word where they talk not make sense. I want to talk to our parents, so I supposed to use the word where they go understand. I dey always anytime when I come out, now to share things with be say go affect or go help everybody. Now they always do. I know say my viewers they always appreciate what they do, and me too I they appreciate them, because if nobody they listen to me, it will be waste of time for me to they come out the few times I think they come out. So I know say I want to appreciate every man and woman every day in, day out. When they watch me, they listen to me, even some other Africa countries, that they pick waiting at they talk, and today then they use them for their place and they help them. If they pay me say the people where get something, they know the value. The people will be say, they say who, if you get something, they know the value. The reason why Jesus Christ come up for his family, go out there, go they doing work, go they doing things where people go know the value, because say waiting they always they happen for this world. Your family can never appreciate you except when you are gone. Who be family? Our Nigeria people no go, and I be our Nigeria people. Not be other Africa countries when you talk about the Ghana, Cameroon, Algeria, Morocco, and other so on and so forth. So other people they listen to me and then they call me, that they use my words today, then they come out for media. They themselves too, their country is moving forward. The reason why I say Oba Atokbe, because I remember most time if I come out, I go say our Oba tell us, say, yes, this region, he go build market where poor people go they go. Now me be the person where they always they use that word till they sing, and they remind our papa, say, this one I wait till you promise us. But our governor, why you don't want help our papa carry this message, carry this in talk where he promising people, help us so that make this word come to pass. So I can't see him say this whole thing, true, our papa he not rest. He make sure say this message when they always they push out every day, every time, anytime when I talk about things like that, because me now one kind pikin will be say, if you promise me something, you not do, I go to remind you. Every time I go to remind you, because as our papa Oba come into a regime in reign, may you reign forever and live forever. He promise us say he go get market wey be say poor people go dey go. The way dem dey do like white people too, wey be say some market dey wey people go, you go there go buy things wey cheap. People wey dey inside farm go come dey sell things cheap. Big man no go come that market come use money take buy everything go dey resell am. That market who buy na the one wey go chop take feed the pikin, take feed the family for house. Na be the purpose of the market. God dey hear our prayer. Our Oba, he come hear the great king of our time. He come dey always dey hear my message because whenever I come out dey talk, I dey see a lot of chiefs. Then they take the message, then they take am to the palace. He come dey hear this cry and this talk when I dey always dey talk. Say yes, this one I promise wey he promise. He come carry this matter. He come let am. He come become a thing of come to pass. But I come dey see this our brother wey dem dey call Wosunu. I come dey see him program today. I come see am say he come enter the place where dem build, where the one where our papa say he allocate, say this place na he wanted do the market wey he promise us. As he just enter that seat. And I come dey see our mama and our papa, all of them, they come dey shout for that marketplace. Then they shout say, hey, may tell our papa say yes, he don't do and reach. The market where he don't build, he don't reach. We don't see the market we want. We make it leave us, make we dey trade inside that dirty, inside that poto as it be so. Make una understand where my message dey go. He come they say I beg, tell our papa, tell our Oba say yes, he do well as he don't do and reach, so he reach. Make he not build journey, make he not worry, we go feed itself for inside this market because me, some of them go say I not get husband, some go say they not even get to the help them again. Now this market, now they take they leave. The reason why they talk this one, I want us to understand, say, sometimes we go the demand, say, we want change of government. We want make government do better thing. We want make government help us. We want go remove poverty, come on from Edo State, from every other state. Make I face Edo State. We want go remove poverty, come on from Edo State. I want to ask you, you will be that man, that woman, where they are abroad. They canvass, they say, yes, I want poverty, I want go rule, I want go campaign, I want go do this. I want show now something where una go understand. Say, these people, where una see for Edo State, where we they call Edo people, not only Edo, we get Urobo, we get Igbo, we get Shekiri, we get Ijo, we get Esan, we get Afema, we get Afuze, we get so on and so forth, all of them food there. Then full inside that Edo, and all of them are from Edo, they can't be Edo people. These people, I want show now something where now see how hungry, what did they call poverty, don't remove the real human being out of their life. Hunger don't turn them so now if they even see waiting bad, they look at with good eyes. Now I be waiting, I want to show now this very afternoon. The purpose why I come out because now maybe the best way they always they say, Baba, you have promised. Obaseki, make you go answer our Baba. And he promises where he promise us say, he want give us, give poor people market where don't feed they sell. Feed they sell where poor people go, they feed, they go there, go they buy, they sell. Where be say people where they farm, where go harvest their crops, then go carry and come. If one Baba say want make farm, where be say they will carry go down market. If you go on Onitsha market, if you go Oba market, they sell that thing for 100 naira. If you reach that market where our Oba want open, they go to sell that thing for 1 naira. They go to sell them for 2 naira. And if you buy finish, no come buy them. Say you come buy and you want go store and put for house. I see you, Kevin. You want store and put for house where everybody, where you will come later, go they sell and where things don't cheap. Just like our government people, some of them they do today, where they be say, fuel, petrol go high small. All of them go use their big money where they thief for government office. Go take buy the petrol, go keep them. Tomorrow they will come they sell them again. So he don't want to hear all those kind of things. So before I go proceed, I go like make a show now. Waiting poverty don't do our Edo people. So then say make our papa wey be Oba make he forget about building the market for them. Make he forget say they no even care. Make he leave the market as it be. So they want to dey chop inside that poto. They want to dey live inside that dirty. They want not there. They like am like that. The purpose why I come out because now this same me, this my same man, now they beg our Omonoba all this while make it do carry that word we promise, make it carry and reach, and which I don't they see the light small. So now the same me now want talk to our mama, our papa. Marketplace not supposed to be a place where be say, I see you Pedro, you are welcome to the house. Marketplace, I bet Mona help me share them. Marketplace not supposed to be a place where be say you go. If you reach there, wait till you they say where you be white. As rain fall, water where poto rain go fall, you go change those things to become dirty. I salute you, Kevin. I salute you, Sonny. You are welcome to the house. Now wait till shook my liver, and I know say more than not verse say I know the right and say I'll come out today, I'll come out tomorrow. But when something just choke me, I go hear I'm out. And I know say before they go dark, I get the viewer of thousands. Then go begin carry them. All of them they carry until they use them until they do better thing. The only pain when they shook me, or the only pain when they pay me, I don't fair ask question. Who be Danny Yaji? Who be Niger Pass? Who be all these people? If you see all these people where they carry messages they put for YouTube. All these people, then go see person where be say they naked another man wife, they go carry and put for YouTube. Then go see person where be say they cause our palace, they go carry and put for YouTube. Then go see person where be say no even make sense, it no even make meaning, they go put them for YouTube. Then go see person where be say he go come out for media, waiting they even they talk, it not they make sense, they go carry and go put for YouTube. Then go see the one where they make sense, then go throw away face, they go they run from her, they not they use them, they not they carry and put for anywhere. Then go just abandon and leave them for there. All these things now wait it be easy to create. But because of where they come out from, so I don't need to go do something when you not suppose. Me na person will be say, as I be obey law, as I be obey rules. I know they like to go beyond the law where you put. Except say, when you want take me for fool, now then you constantly say, I know my left from my right. Thank you, Charles. You are welcome to the house. God will bless you. So, as all these things, they happen. Now, me, they beg. Thank God, Pedro, they here, I believe, said there will be my weakness. Sonny, they here. Don't they beg? When I they ask of these things, say, make our papa, make Obaseki. Banker wey promise, just as I see they talk about gele when I about the show that time go the show. When I now let me one still come out quote about wrong say this light when we the way una come dey show us now fake, not be we get the light. Now me make am come shut up that time we not come dey talk. And true, the whole thing in hand, not be we get the light. Now me reveal all those secrets. My video plenty well for inside the People Freedom magazine. So this or any video when I come out come make. Now waiting go change person. Now waiting go help person. Now waiting they help a lot of other countries, other Africa countries where be say then they benefit from my talk because they know say it gets some people where they inside this media where God himself go they talk something through them. He done everything they talk, it they come to pass. And I get a lot of evidences when I for the chook mouth, when I for the show now. Anything when I talk about anybody when I hit for this media, and I see how then they be later, how they they change. So waiting at the talk now be this. So I don't they cry all this while say make our papa and Obaseki make carry with our papa talk so that make our people feel they get this market where say you go they buy something, go there, you fit go there, go buy something cheap article. Where they run belle, you go poor person you go chop. People will be say not get anything, they go chop. They go feed they okay, then go satisfy. They go even see give their neighbor wey not even fit go the market. We not fit get 1 naira. They go see say take because this food when I go buy na cheap article now I take buy am. And our papa will be omonoba uku akpolokpolo. Irejawa. Na him do am for us. They our oba ewe 1 2 na him do am for us. So because of that, since now free thing, he go still give the poor people with the neighbor wey surround them. Not be the one where PDP and APC they do, where be say the boys where they follow them. You go see some of them. I salute you, Faith. You welcome to the house. Where be say all these our PDP and APC they do. Where be say now only them, now they get light. Now only them, now they get fit build farm house, but their neighbors. Water erosion, they carry all of them things. They destroy their property. They don't care because their house they fenced. They don't care. So better our monoba can say yes, he want me everybody feed they get market, we don't feed they trade. Baby say go cheap particle, which me can they carry them as especially when they blow the trumpet every time, anytime when I come out, and he can't really carry the matter reach for us. So the poor people, our papa women they talk about now be this. I can't they watch this thing, then just they shout for this man where this our brother where be say that they call Wasunu. Tell our papa say yes, we like the market like this as it dirty, so we want to stay inside. We want to sell like this. The reason why these people they cry say they want make our monoba leave the market like that for them. Now hunger. You know say when hungry hit you, you be not the fee get 1 naira, 100 naira. You can't see where you for the see 1 naira. That place even if na inside shit, you go say leave and I like to stay here because I dey get something. I dey wonder how you wey that man, that woman, wey wan go campaign for Nigeria, how you want to confused or convinced this kind of people? Wey be say our manoba say he wan build market. This market, if he build am, he go put AC, he go put toilet, he go put police station, he go put where be say the go build and go find better market. Where be say water rain go dey fall, e no go dey touch anybody. Everybody go dey safe, go dey secure, and inside there everything go cheap. He go put different things wey be say yes, wey dey happen for abroad for inside that market. Then me come dey watch this and come dey say our mama and our papa inside poto dem say dem no care make our monoba make e leave am like that. Na im make me come out this very afternoon come beg our monoba, abeg no lis ten to these women. Na hungry. Na im make am wey dey be say better person go come and say he wan come campaign, he wan come governor dem. Dem go still follow that person wey be say he let water carry their property. That governor, that man wey be say he don dey for 8 years, he don dey for 50 years, he don dey for 70 years, wey be say he no fit build school for them. He no fit give them road, he no fit give them water, he no fit give them health care, he no fit give them nothing. He frustrate their children, all their children don turn to thieves, they don turn to kidnappers. He frustrate their papa so tey all their papa don get heart attack. He frustrate them so tey pikin wey clever don become conductor for road, don become armed robber. All these things now, dem go still, you go still see them tomorrow. Na dem go still dress. Dem go tell you wey be say come genuine, wey wan come create better thing for them, wey wan come give them peace. Dem go say dey go, wetin you don do? This man better pass you. Wetin you don do? So na me dey tell you wey dey go campaign for Nigeria, make you watch this video by yourself. Make you know say the reason why you say our mama and our papa wey dey market, they still comot go dey clap for this PDP and APC. I want make you know the reason. I make me come out this afternoon so that I go show una, I go take una 20-something minutes take show am, make una by yourself look am. I no want, because I know so if una go YouTube now still see about myself, but me I go play for this my video because me I like to play wetin be say e be say go get effect or impact for our communities. Because if una look the whole thing now, these kind people wey be say come out for a whole media, for a whole station wey they call ITV, come dey beg our monoba say make e leave the market as e be poto so, as everywhere be like shit so, and when rain go fall now tomorrow, now these same people go come out come dey say wetin our monoba do, wetin e do. Abeg, I wan beg our monoba make e drive these people comot for that ground, make e build that thing wey dey in mind, wetin say e wan do for e people, make e first do am first before e go allow them make dem come. Make dem first go stay house or make dem first go street. Make government help them for any other place where they fit first go dey trade, so that they fit dey get something wey dem take dey chop, so that make dem no go dey pour eye for wetin no good, make dem no go dey do wetin no good. Na wetin I go come beg for this afternoon na be this. So before I go continue, I go like make I show una, make una by yourself hear as this our mama and our papa can't take dey very, they can't even prefer make dem stay inside that shit. They no wan get wetin that they call patient. Make e be say our papa Omonoba can't build this market. We be say it go become market where if rain fall, water no go touch them. If be say problem they come from outside, problem no go near where them dey. We be say tomorrow the whole world go better people go come, they want come associate, they want come invest. Who go like to come dey trade or come visit you when you dey inside potopoto or dey inside shit? Tell me my people, it go possible. So now it make me want come beg our Monoba, make our beg, make you not listen to this our people. Because they now hungry and confusion. Now it make them the reason like this. God bless you. Now make them now stay tuned, make them now watch them.
Local government, and for this quarter when I did so, this person they call Ugone area. It don't tell like this for the past like 100 years. But since this our ginger king come now, because he said this land, we think we use this land too. Go home meeting, because he say we just surprised like 2 weeks ago. Women waiting for this locality.
La Sisi, I see you.
Can they check? All of them don't they form table, they don't they fresh it. But we call here win, and the win now we investigate. But first of all the women with the market leaders, they don't thank Omoloba or Iwari the second for this good thing we say don't do for this locality. But I deal with one of the popular, when you talk about market women, Madam Blackie, I thought they could look for us this morning because of the win. When we don't hear for her, but I dealt with her here. Madam, how you doing? I did fine. I also know. Well done. Thank you very much. Our Oba, our great Oba, the custodian of the Benin, when he like good things, he won't make good things they happen for your land. He can't call us. He say he wants build market where it go be Sunday market where things go the cheap for the people where it don't go fit afford. Not be everybody they fit afford to the buy things when they cost. Not be everybody go fit go supermarket. He say when you go build the market, he say and the poor go fit buy something. You go buy them. You go take and feed your children. Not be the one the person will come buy something here. You carry and go another market. Go they sell at high cost. That's so our Oba talk. We can't happy well. So the people were there before they sell wood for here. And the bush were there before. People, thieves go they hide. The robbers. And it's 7 o'clock, people don't feel pass here. So our Oba can say, make those people come out. They still go give those people part of the land. Say, make that they sell their wood. He go build this market. When he go find, when people go not say yes, now but I want a market. So he can't say those people they can't relocate. As they relocate now, the structure where they live, they're not demolition. Now me when I stand here, as the leader of the market women, I go meet Ikbobaga chairman. Say make it come demolish the place. So that the place go fine, so that people don't still go the hide put. So they do a finish, me come out I travel. Before I come, people don't carry a table called say. For me they say they'll carry table called they put for ground. So people will put 4, 5. Say but they don't enter, they don't even because they want to build the place. They want to build the place. So when they build the place now, bank go there. Clinic go there, toilet go there. Now there, and that's all about proposal, so that the place go fine, so that people now they go see and say yes, this is a real about market. Market don't start here. People don't they buy they say something. Wait, they never build that. When they build that finish, now our Baba, where God go they bless. Now he talk and say. He want to build that so that the poor go fit they afford something. But the people that they're not patient, they just enter, carry market traders, the market women. They don't enter. The ones where they go hawk for street before, like them, all of them enter from Mission Road, Lagos Street, all these markets, all of them right back. Okay, as they talk now, let me say from henceforth now, When our Baba don't build that for us, before we don't see engineer. When they come, they go build. If they don't remove their things, they're not going to feel work for here. So when the top say make the market to make they remove their tables and chairs. Yes, when they come, I see people they bring table. Now I bring table, I see clear, I put my table. So I don't know one, not two, the one where they talk. You don't pay any money. I don't pay any money. You see people they carry table, now you still carry table, come. Yes. But this market, they don't charge me money. Now very good market. Yeah, table used to see how they carry. They carry table, but I carry table. Before you drop your table, you don't drop anything. No one at all. Come on for road, make a pass. Now, in case you wonder where I did for Benin City, I don't stay South Nigeria, and I did for Ekbobaoka local government. You when they watch us now, you know what they happen for your area. You when they watch us now on Top ITV, you know what they happen for that your location, for that your backyard. But things don't they happen now. But the market women went there for this Ekbobaoka local government. All of them they happy when they hear the news say market don't pay for this location, for this Ugun area. But we don't know who can give them permission when all of them start to look for table and chair when they're there for their store, their backyard, they come back and come here. But one time the Oba of Benin Kingdom for this good suggestion we don't do, because we don't see them say most of our market for Benin City, they don't get congested, they don't do full. That's why you see people they shade for road. But this one now, so can we come the year. We come the year say some people don't they collect money, and the Oba and the palace said they don't send anybody that kind of message. But as they see this kind of market now, they need to build them for modern structure. They need to give them good market, they need to put bank, they need to put police station. Don't be all this kind of table go there, they go build a hospital, different things go there. That not the plan. But some can we don't they happen. As I tell you now, some people say still they fear to talk. Now be the matter now. What it concern you for this matter?
What it concern me, we don't get what we they do for us. So they say me all the old women make they get up, make they go find what they want to. Now make us carry table come here, call the straight. We surprise now when they pursue us. Only one had the 12 children, they go no us man. I'm gonna beg up, beg me open this market for us. May I use God beg, me place us, me market to man. Me no get us, man, me all of them. Cause the first something they do. Now road will be the shade before. So as we see this free market now we become called the shade. Now the same carry table come out. We use God beg and beg. We gonna manage her like this. May forgive us. Any area no for better. May forgive us.
Hope now they hear them. Make it live on like that for them.
So,
when you bring your table, anybody collect money from you?
Like me, I talk, waiting me they talk for this market. In a time, in a way, now working away, I will not reckon out. My better 700. Oh, okay, no, 500 la. No, only a
Doctor, I hear you. Look my camera. Doctor, they say the allegation when you don't hear me. They say you there among the people when they collect money for inside here. They say you still there among the people when give them table, but this market will go enter here. How you see?
This market will enter here. So as for me, they're very nice. I thank the Oba of Benin and the first wife, the first lady of Benin Kingdom. I thank her very well. On Sunday, last week Sunday, now this place starts. On Monday, I can't grade, I can't grade down. I drive past. Before I come back, I don't see market to me. All of the back table come. We park my car for the now come down. How come when they sell fish from that answer? Who they give the market? He said nobody they give market. These people they carry table can I carry. That's why I drive go ask. I go carry my own chili table come. I still got push because me self one sell. Wednesday I be on Thursday. I am Matablaki come. As he come, he say who give us rice, me we put it for
And I see on the floor, B.
That was on Wednesday, on Thursday. How he come? So as he come to people, all of us, we don't share. Many people with a million packs of ticket, I don't share. He said no. He said this market said they want Peter. He said they're not telling me we they share them now. Now we call the back and say we see people they grade them. That make us go. He said no. That they grade now made them for Peter.
Look at the floor. Look at how bad it is. They're not again. Maybe you see frustration, poverty. Are you here, Ram? Make a liver like that for them.
But the truth of the matter be say, as they open this market, capital be don't get work. Capital be don't get work. Alpha, wait that guy. I'm a brother of this man. When I come for the man, I come for the. Because of the way market women take need chair and table, capital self they don't they work for year. This is capital. As they say, make they stop first now. How you see?
And that's how I say Siamo. Yes, I just
when the man put the market, if you don't they work well.
they work well, and they work money, they go out.
If they work money, they go out.
Yes, so
Table and chair.
table and chair.
Talk.
On Monday, when I dey go my New Benin market, in the morning, I just see a crowd of people there here. Now I just come down for bus. What did they happen now? They say, Baba Monoba say, me want put to market here. Now na the carry table, they gonna say, quick run, go buy table. I just run, I put up for tuke. Now bring her come. Now I say, I beg, what they give the shade now? They say nobody fair where you want shade. Now I just catch her one place.
Look at the floor, my people.
One woman come, he said, now if I stay here before now say, fair, no, okay, nobody make we share them together. Now we can't share that place. I put my own, I put the woman home. I just go market, go buy yam, come. I can't put her. As I put the yam, I begin to say, I can't be happy. Oba talk by, Omaga talk by, Baba got to make it in a general. Who got to what to got, Baba, I just buy my Yaduki. Oba give we jack away, yeah. I got the happy, I got the dancing. On Tuesday, I come again, I said, I say market to where. Wednesday, I come, I say market to where. Thursday, I come, I say market to where on Saturday. Yesterday, Sunday, I be ready finish. He can't get as my body, and I say today, I saw make a rest. Today, Monday, I will come. When I just see carry my yam come today, I got the year rumor say, they say, Baba say, make we not shade. I say, what it can't they happen now? What it can't they happen? I got the year rumor say that they collect money. Now say, make we not listen. They say, it too many for market women, mato. For me, since I the shade, I not pay 1 hour. I go meet TJ, say, like front, I go there. So it's anywhere when I like, make I stay. Now I go stay front. I begin to sell my market today. I not see about the training.
When you get on the table, I tell you, nobody collect money from you.
No, sir.
Nobody use tape measure your space.
No, sir. Also, no, me want talk. On Monday, now I day here. So when I reach here, my labor tell me say, people don't fool you, say that they give. So I reach here, people, they be like market. I say, me they house, I don't know what they happen. Let me see the shade now. They say they know they use money. So say that they use, I say if not money, me not go pay or me not get me when they pay. So say they use money. Now the control say nobody they give person shade. If you get table, carry and use a table position where you did. Now cause if not like that, let me go house, let me take carry table my account position where me day. Now Monday when I come, I say Lord where you see reach on Tuesday. Me consistent all this one that you come. Market all day. Then when you come reach on Saturday, they come say this person they never commission. I say Malaba no. So they come say this market be good for we will not to get stuff like that. So we will be the manager like that. So when we come together on Sunday of it, they come say they say so they never commission out. And the man comes it up. Now we come the beg the man. May help us find the money, may help us, make you leave us. No, they say.
Supposed to be them now.
Una dey hear am? No, the manager am. See them. Make I pause am first. My people, now see what now they try to talk about. You see they are begging now. You see all of them, they beg. So you wait one go do governor. You want go do chairman. What do you fit do tomorrow take confuse or convince these people now to allow you wey be innocent or good wey get good intention to come go become the governor for that state? Wey be say you no go say come vote for me, make you take 250, take 2,500, take 1,500, take 3,500. You no get to give. How you think say you go fit take confuse or convince these people now make them vote for better person for Edo State for Nigeria? My brother Lasisi, be like say you want join me for this matter. How? Wait till you think say you go fit do to take make these people come join you tomorrow say yes. I know say I heard you, my brother, and I go see, so go now manage my voice now. One thing now when I they try to talk about the beg when me they try to beg our monoba naibi, I beg these people, then they confuse. It's the good part of them out of their life. The real humanity in them is no longer there, not there again. I beg our monoba, build this market to the standard of where human beings supposed to live. Even animals self, if you go look where animals they live, they don't, these time animals, they don't even use a carpet. They take a rug where they sleep. They don't even use ties for inside bush where they live. Not to talk of human beings. My people, now see the ground just now see poto everywhere. Una see nothing. And tomorrow when rain fall now, the pikin, you will see some of them, they go back pikin. Small pikin wey they just newly born, a weekday baby or 1 month baby, they go put her for back. They will carry come inside this ground, this poto. And this ground now, you know say as things where is rotty and different kind of things where they will bring come. Now so the ground now begin they divert the diseases. They follow everybody. All of them knows. May I see whether I will bring you in again, my brother, my big brother. I really they appreciate your word, man. God bless you. I not fit connect you. They see they dislike. So waiting, they always dislike. So let me leave it. So waiting you to say you will fit do now to make these people tomorrow say they go see good God and use this to take ask una self question. Una see all the crowd now. Waiting that they beg now. Then they beg our monoba. Some say if they use one hand, pikin do bad thing, you beat and use the other hand draw near body. So now, then they see and say, now then they say make them come on, make them maintain the place. May not be like the one where Obasaki they build, where not green get head, you not get head, you not get it. Where be say all the buses where they drive for them, all of them. Where be say nothing to ride home about. Sorry, someone is trying to get in touch with me. So where be say nothing to write home about for that park where they build all these years we not get head and then they collect money for them. So I want beg use this opportunity to beg our king, the great king of Monoba Nedu. I believe say now the same me they always say cry. They say yes you promise say you go build poor people market. Now still the same me I see you. Andrew Omo 411. Let me see if I will bring you in, brother. I dey see your work so that maybe you chook mouth for this matter. My brother Lasisi no fit the child dey try I don't know why no fit enter. Maybe Omo 411 will dey work now. No. So as I dey argue now, my voice go dey somehow for now hearing for that side. No, pardon me. So these old people every time they call they beg for this issue and it don't they come to pass now. These people, they say they prefer to stay inside that garbage. They prefer to stay inside that poto. Waiting with the call poto where water go enter, everywhere go soak. Waiting the people who even inside the market, they regret why they even come. People when want come by, they know will fit enter inside. And these people forget say, now rainy season we there so. You don't want to add, let me just remove it so that they disturb the other people here, the audience. These people forget say, as this market be now, if somebody over them, there is no roof, nothing like roof over them. nothing like anything security, no toilet. These people now just forget. Wetin I try to let you understand, say, this one are the kind of people wey be say you wan go Nigeria or wan talk tomorrow, say you wan go confuse or convince, make dem come vote for you. How this kind of people go take carry themselves take come vote for you? No wonder una no see Osinbajo wey go market, he come go dey share 10,000 as borrow. All of them, dem follow am quick. So you wey be say e dey abroad, you wan go become governor for Edo State for Nigeria, you will rethink again, because these people, if normal human being fit decide say they prefer to stay inside this garbage, they prefer to stay inside this dustbin, so that they prefer to live inside this shit, so they say they prefer am, they even beg our papa say make he leave them like this. My brothers and sisters, wetin you wan do now to take fit win these people mind, make dem come follow you as their candidate, as person wey dem wan vote for? I never see am o. I wan make you by yourself use your better eye take look wetin I dey play so and wetin I dey talk so, because as you see these people, if the normal sense, our monumber don stay abroad, you don see as market dey be. If you see market, you go know say na market. I see you, that one, I salute you. If you see market, you go know say na market. Yes, okay, I understand you, my brother. My namesake, I get you. Thanks. If you see market, you go know say na market. If you see place where they call hospital, you know say na hospital. If you see where they call road, you know say na road. Now so our monumber say he want to build that market. You hear from the woman who they call Mama Blackie. He say yes, they go get hospital for there. They go get police station for there. They go get different better things go there inside that market. Now be the purpose of that place. Now our monumber get for mind say he want do. But these women, see them now, see Mona see them. Mona see as they see beg. Then they beg.
Forget about the very day when you carry your table and chair, they go money for you. I want to see the table and chair. Money.
See, all of them don't put chair, they don't put table, but look at the floor. What about where they go fall? What about where they go fall? Yes, that the masses. I see you, brother. God bless you. Keep doing what you are doing, brother. Okay. Okay. Hope now they understand the woman, so our plan continue. Oh, now check am. You see her now say some people don't even they go the market where they don't even know how they take work. How we were the media till they buy our airtime, till they beg, say make our monumber carry that promise where he promise us, make it where he promise our parents, make it give them. Not be we want go do the market, but every day if I come out, I dey beg. I dey beg on behalf of my people because I know what they pass through. I know what it mean for somebody wey dey village now to go inside farm, go uproot garri the whole day. At the same time, you go come fry am, come wash am, come do everything, come pay machine, come pay all the stress. Then you go come fry am throughout the night. Then you go carry am go market. You go reach the market. Sometimes you come miss say na only 2 people. Now you wan come buy garri of about 100 people garri. How those people, that only 2 people, now how they fit buy that garri or buy those things where that woman, that man suffer all through the night? How they fit come take buy and where go reach the one way the money where those village people take go buy oil or take pay for the machine, not be their energy, not be their time they take carry the farm, they come they talk. Where they give laborers, we help them weed the farm, clear everything, come make the farm become where waiting today they don't the cultivator. So how they fit take go pay for all this energy? So I can see say this thing a good idea, good plans. Because now waiting be say, because if you look the government, the reason why they not they give the village people better road, they know say if those people they village begin bring things out, things go dey cheaper. So they not they give them road. You go hear government go say this in get chairman where they represent so local government or so village, so places. Go check the chairman, person will become chairman today. Under one night, under 1 minute where become chairman, he go get house. he go get he himself go, you go see chairman wey be nothing before, wey be not body, he go come dey build houses, and the road to a village he no get. Sometimes he go put one borehole wey be say not get meaningless borehole, be say go only rush only one day, the next day because the driller they know they've do am well, the pumping machine and a fake one, all of the counterfeit, the next second that thing go lock, so nothing go function after some few days. But you hear they call commission that thing with millions upon millions. So they come dey feel bad for all these people, our mothers, parents wey dey village, because I don witness all these things, so I know wetin they talk about. So that's why they feel bad when I see all these things. But you can't see this market now. Some people don't they even form they don't they form boss. They don't they pass behind. They even go to sell positions for some women for inside that same market. You see some of them now that they fear, because if they talk, they go get problem. If they try to talk who sell them for them, they go get problem, because this way they sell, where they sell, people they be like people they call CDA. All these boys they sell things like this. These people they heartless. Their hearts they under their feet. They use a mass ground, so they don't even know what be good. Anything good they not get connection with anything good except bad destruction. Now the only thing where they get, they know all the bad cultists, they know all the bad criminals, they know all those hire killers. So now they everything bad. That's what now therefore they associate with that. So my people, so when I come to talk, say these women here now fear not go let them come out, can't really they talk, say see who collect money from them, see who they take these things. This woman where they talk, I mean, I'm not too sure her picture too much. Tomorrow now, you go see and say these same people that will come out, they'll go pick all this, they'll go pick this woman. They go deal with her anyhow, and nobody go know what will happen. You just say baby is just sick, he die. For Nigeria, nobody fear for those states, nobody fear they let they see through, they talk again. What now they talk about here now be our mother, hunger. Don't frustrate them, they no want see good thing again. Anything at all where be say go give them food, they're ready to follow that thing. That's why I can't see the reason why they see they clap for this PDP and APC government can't reach to date. And this PDP and APC government now then get their talks where they can't collect money from the for market. Who carry pure water of 100 naira or 200 naira? Now they will still allow these their boys, these their talks, go meet them for market. They draw them 50 naira out of that 100 naira. About 10 people can collect ticket money on top of 100 naira from these people. Sometimes some women will not feel pay. We borrow 200 naira to start their pure water business. You will see that they go bust and throw away, because these people, their heart, they under their feet. They don't like anything good again. So nothing good they interest them except evil things. So when I talk now, be this say make our monoba beg. La wo wo. These people, they are frustrated. The government have frustrated them. The leaders, the people we call the government, they don't so much frustrate these people don't confuse. These people don't even know what they are doing again. So anything where you see say that they talk here, then say person wey hungry they beat. If they talk, he go they talk anyhow. If they even they act, he go they act anyhow. Not the way they do, where they good again. I see you, tell you are welcome to the house. Not the way that they talk, the way they make sense. Everything way that they talk, because these women where you see here, some of them, then they sick. Because of counterfeited food where they bring come, all those cow where be say all those outside people they make love with, where they pack enter the those states. All these cow they get cancer, they get diseases, they get different sickness. So all these women now, sometimes you go see some of our women, they go market where market don't most close. Go buy the one where they don't reject all those meat where be say not get meaning again, where don't spoil. Now all these women they buy where they feed their family. They feed about 8 children. They feed about 10 children. Now these women will go market, go buy, can't they feed their children? When they live till date. So these women, if you can't look them, then the reason they're not the reason where again. Somebody will be say go market before with 500 naira ticket. Government people, government officials, they will come there, can't collect 400 naira, come off from them. At the end, they can't see free space like this. Nobody they charge them, nobody they collect money from them. They will want to stay. Forgetting say, if they give our monoba opportunity, make it do wetin dey in mind, make it build this market as it be, therefore can they live well, even make better money. Even the environment self go dey heal them. The environment self they go get many things, boku things to benefit from the environment. Now I come meet the same way they say make it carry that promise reach. The same ministry come on behalf of these our mothers and fathers say, I beg, if then they beg, I beg, just pardon them. No mind them. The beg the way they just they beg because now hunger. They don't know what they do. They just they talk without because of the hunger. So I beg, forgive them as they really they beg for forgiveness. Forgive them. Make government look for another place. Make them go they serve first. I beg, make our bonoba lawo bekina venoro orion. I own hospital aro. I own minoma many good things. Make it dey the market. All the good things wey be say yes for a foreign country wey be say sometimes you go see dem go open market like this. People wey dey carry dirty with good motor dem dey around. Even ambulance dem dey around, dem dey wait in case if anything happen for the marketplace. So I beg, make you build that market. Tell these women make dem comot. No lis ten to this their beg wey dem dey beg. Na government na create problem for them. Because some of these women, they cannot even pay their house rent. According to some of them, they not even get husband again. Some get 8 children, some get 10 children, 20 children. Now only one woman they cater for all these children. So if they go see space like this, they're ready to. No, that's why the same people, if they see government where be say not give them school, government where be say not give them road, government where be say all these promises where government they promise where they not they fulfill. The same people you'll see them tomorrow where government after 4 years can't give them 2,000 naira, 1,000 naira. They're ready to do anything to walk out from Ring Road to Ikpobahi, walk out from Ikpobahi to Lagos for that same man where be say frustrate their children, frustrate their husband, make their husband get heart attack when they take die. They're ready to still say this government ain't better pass. These people they are confused. So because they say person will not get hope or person will don't already dig ground, you know they fear to go ground. So now make them they accept to remain inside there because then look and say inside this place, inside this poto now, inside this place will not get meaning and will be say tomorrow rain go fall, he go beat them, he go drive them come out, he go frustrate them, rain go spoil all their crops, go spoil all their properties, spoil the crops where they say they carry corner, go spoil. I salute you, Che, God bless you, Prince, I salute you. You also say these same people, Frank, I salute you, thanks for coming. These same people now go come begin cry again to the same television station. Say yes, they don't dey sick oh. Since I dey go that market, I get disease, I get one malaria, I get one problem. Where they not tie the ground, not be diseases they go dey see, not be faith things they go dey see. E good my people make it be say you self finish, you dey find where you want carry your shade again, carry and go out so that make it not go spoil, make it not spoil. Now better thing, not be say you self finish, you get 100% security. Say yes, fire not go come burn this place. My table rain not go fall make it spoil. My things not go spoil. Not be better pass, but these people now they don't that sense of human being. It don't wipe out of their life. So only way that they reason now say, thank God. I they go that place and they fit see money when I take cook ogbolo soup, when I fit buy fish. Or when I fit pay my children school fees, that place I they go there. Now be only thing they know. But these people they don't know anything. Say yes, if they allow our monoba, our papa make it do and well, therefore they forget more than what they are getting. The same thing I can apply to the same people where they try to go campaign to become a governor for Edo State. How you want to win this kind of people mind? People where they accept shit, where they accept dirty, people wey prefer to stay inside where be say tomorrow na problem na they will get for inside. They not care. So these same people, if they accommodate the same people wey be say they destroy them, so not blame them. So if you're ready, you want go rule, you want go campaign, you want go do everything for Edo State, ready to get at all where you go give these people, or else nothing you go do to take confuse or convince these people to come allow better person to rule. Say they want come do one person, they want come by themselves bring one person out. Say they not care. Even if you not give them anything, they ready to stand for her because of say it good and because of say go do what he promise. We not care. We go stand for her. Come rain, come shine. We go put hair for rain. Go stand for this man. Go put paper for this man ballot boss. These people they cannot follow you do any of those things. They are ready to follow that man. We give them 1,000 naira. That woman. Wey call them go one corner say if you go put your ballot your card your paper for your card for election, go put am for this your PV, you go put am for this person boss, go put am for killer boss, go put am for destruction boss, go put am for hunger boss, go put am for person wey be say dey frustrate una education, frustrate una market, frustrate una road, frustrate una generation, frustrate una children wey dey brilliant life, go put am for a boss. These people they are ready to say collect that 500 naira, go put am for that boss. Then go see better boss wey be say go give them education, give them good head, build good road for them, build good schools for them, create good things for them, let the system dey function well, put better law wey be say police no dey arrest innocent people, police no dey do anyhow again, no go dey kidnap, no go dey become thieves, police go begin act like police, not be like criminal, not be like cultists. Dem go prefer to let that person go to go put for that person wey be destruction. No wonder dem say in the holy days, as they tell us for that thing wey we dey call Bible, say dem say make we kill criminal, make we kill criminal, killers, make we kill am, or make we kill person wey be say e good. Dem say they prefer to live with criminal than to live with Jesus Christ or that clean person wey be say dey heal, person wey be say e come destroy all those laws wey all those kings don put, wey dem dey say they get Sabbath day, they get this day, they get the other day. When Jesus Christ enter there, he say all these laws are fake. After all, e no want am, e dey heal anytime, no time wey no dey till dey heal. The same time, the same people dem gather together, dem make sure say dem nail that man to cross, dem kill am, dem carry thief put for house. The same thing na dey happen. So if una look the ground just now, na see say that ground dem no concrete am, that place now is not secure. Nothing, if rain fall na problem. These people say dem prefer make our papa Amonobane Dokwa Polopolo make e leave them like that, they wan stay. So now the same way still beg, make Baba remember what he promised. Now he can still beg this afternoon, say Baba no mind these people ohame or see eyin agbe eyin reriyan ogo managbon teriyan agbe ya win. So eyin agi no riyan agbe ro pa my government frustrating yan e dan be yan we ni apa hin bare ni apa hin to na re we ni apa nu we no ro wor yan you to na o we say Baba e pon won we. So make I come ready to the go. I see you. I want to read wetin my brother Prince write. He say, but guy, listen please. How can one woman have more than 5 or 6 children? I think the Nigeria government should do something about it. I think so, guy. Yeah, thank you, my brother Prince. And if you look the problem, all the constitutions wey we get for Nigeria or get for the government, no one get meaning, no one good. There is nothing to write home about. Tell me which of the laws will be said today they favor the poor people. Tell me which of the law. The only laws where you see today, you see this boy, our personal show what they carry on now. What it be sin. Go check all the problem where we don't get all this why. Best way carry knockout. Police go deal with them. They go even put them for, they go hang them, killing by hanging. Fulani herdsmen. These people, wetin come make these people so special than every other persons? Fulani herdsmen, who can give them? Wetin can give them power? Wey be say dem go carry AK-47. Wey be say ordinary person, farmer, hunter go carry this chaka bula. Wey be say you dey use the arrow, take sword, take dey push the bullet, they come carry and come do everything. Dem go arrest you. Dem go kill that person. But somebody some people now carry AK-47, better gun that they carry around the street, carry everywhere, carry dagger, they carry push everywhere. The same government, they not fit do nothing. Then there is no law wey hold all these people. There is nothing to do about these people. These people now get the privilege, the right to hold all these things. But you as a person, ordinary person, will not get right to hold knife, neither to hold even to hold barrel for pocket or phone. You are in trouble. Not to talk of gun. So there is nothing like law existing in that country. So if you look you go see our police. Instead of our police, wey be say if you look police for foreign country, our foreign police, you also say now people they fear. Even the citizens, then they fear police pass even any other thing. Even past Jesus Christ, where would they serve for Africa? They fear police pass them. But Nigeria police, with they get a year, they get a year, they get all and they get different courts inside police. And all these police, the same police, they hate each other just as normal things be for school. All of them, they hate each other. They not get love for each other. This one get your gang, the other one get your gang inside the same police station. So these are people now who go come guide. So our parents wey come dey born children, wey dem look and say wetin dem go do, make dem just dey born, maybe God go give one opportunity make take travel go abroad or e go come help. So these are the reason why these things dey happen. So the whole thing wey we see there, if the government dey themselves fix theirself, fix everything, I think every other persons go obey, because when you go meet police, you go see for their station they go write bailing is free. But if you go there is nothing like free. You go pay tire, you no go get the freedom. At the end you go spend millions. You go meet custom wey be say supposed to dey wey supposed to dey border. You want to clear for seaport, you go dey drive and dey come for inside town, they go come dey ask you duty rate, they go come dey ask you all the duty pay, the tariff, every other thing for inside town. So you can see there's nowhere the laws wey we dey want, e no happen. Even if you go meet the police, na even police na dey born pass. The police children, you will see say police sometimes go get 12 children, only one police wey be say wey dem dey cause trouble. Tell me, when the people wey be say dey give out the laws, all of them dey do the wrong thing, where we forget who wan come correct each other? Na school you go enter, you go see say person wey be say suppose to dey take charge of the schools, they themselves na cultists. The people wey dem put as masters wey suppose to take charge of the students, they themselves na cultists. Dem know all the cultists. So they themselves too, they will still, if you not join, you are in trouble. Tell me where we foresee good children wey go enter school, where we foresee bad thing. Na me dey talk am say una wey be get good heart, una wey dey make money from all this government, una check una sef. Una carry all the bad people now una dey fight for, make dem dey become government. All the bad people na im dey government, na im dey senator, na im dey police, na im dey army, na im dey every good offices, every sensitive office in Nigeria. And all these people now, tomorrow you dey expect miracle to happen, make the country come good. I wan take good. Na you wey be say youth, you wey be say good student, good child, wey be say dey brilliant, wey for using brain take dey make better millions. Na you come join cultists today, dey go put bad people put for government. You know say that man wey dey government no good, this man wey come campaign no good, and dem tell you say come mo go kill that man because e be like say na him get popularity pass, mo go kill am so that make e no come take this our position, make e no come disturb become an obstacle to our gubernatorial thing, make e no come become a problem to us. Mo go kill am. You go kill all the good people comot. Where you want for come see good things to happen? Person wey fit get mind go kill good people, how you go come take do good thing? Ask yourself day in day out. Always look at mirror. Why the country, why we not get light, why we not dey get things, why things are not functioning, why nobody dey, why better person wey hold better degree not dey get better position, why be say person wey be say get better certificate not dey get better work? Go check it. I always say this, if you go check Buhari, if you wan bring person, you go bring Boko Haram, person wey help you before come put for position. If you enter senator, dem go bring people wey be say no get anything for head, they go go put for offices, all that's good position. Tell me, where are we going to get something right? This one na fire brigade wey dey disturb me so. You don't hear news now, they go there. If you enter Nigeria now, fire house go burn reach ground, motor go burn reach ground, no road. Where they want even speed pass in all day. Where better nothing is functioning. How these people be say be evil people, wey be cultists, wey be ritualists, how dem wan come take give you good system? How will things work? Let me quickly see wetin Chidera say. The only law that works in Nigeria is the law against the good and the law abiding poor, innocent citizens. God bless you, Wesley. God bless you. Please, what did you say happened to Sowore? Okay, Sowore. Yeah, if you look Sowore issues, you see that old issues. The thing, it's just that say sometimes we as a human being, greed, now they kill us, they go. Greed. If we drop greed, I think by today everybody for the smile. Before the campaign in 2018, before the campaign, I tell them, all of them, all other parties, all those small parties where they come in, make them join together, merge together. We want to take power. We don't want to take power from every other small parties. They want to take power from PDP and APC. Everybody is supposed to merge together. Every other person, every other party, even if now 70-something parties where you can't join, they're supposed to join to put head together. If really they mean well for that Nigeria, they mean well for the system, they're supposed to come together. If really waiting that they preach or waiting that they get for mind, they're really ready. They're supposed to bring head together and come as one. Say yes. If you look the system since 1960, now PDP and APC, whether they call MP and all of the content to all these names, so we will still see so. Now these same people, now they don't they rule us. Now few people, now don't they kill the system. Now few people, now they sell out. If we they talk, and sometimes if people talk about Igbo, talk about Yoruba, some people go say, why they talk about my tribe? We should drop this idea of saying now my tribe person they talk to. If to say na tribe that they do and Nigeria today for done better, Nigeria we supposed to be Nigeria. Forget about what tribe you are, even if now your tribal person. Hence the person where they talk main well, look that person to be your original brother or original family. Not be that will be say because say na your tribe. Go check them who they arrest so worry. Not be Bowman I come out as DSS where you can't they talk. Not be somebody come and they go campaign against so worry made them lock them. Not be somebody be that. So all these things they happen. Then if really these people are not greed, not be greed where they worry them. They are supposed to come together as one to represent, say they want to represent the poor people. They want to represent Nigeria, that name Nigeria. They want to represent the land. So now we don't see and say PDP and APC has been in power since 1960, since they were independent. Nothing is working. Now road, now light, now water, now infrastructure, now to create things, now we. If I check something for news, I see and say the best doctor where they do human surgery, where they do surgery, the surgery for human being, na Nigerians. The best way they do better care, na Nigeria. Name it all. The best student in the Western world, na Nigeria. All these people now, all these people don't they rule all these people since 1960. Nothing. These people they prefer to go there except for another man's country. Check Nigerians in every country they go. All our armed robbers. Bad people when our police don't write as bad people. You know, see as all of them fly to abroad today. What did they do now? Today, who be Curtis no longer Curtis. Who they useless for Nigeria no longer useless. All of them today, they are not making money. They are not living well. They are the best in their working place. So today, that tells you, say, these people who don't they rule us since all these years, now they be our problems. Now they confuse us. Now they kill us. And are still the same people. Now our mothers and our parents, because of hunger, because of hungry, because of frustration, now then they will still want make it continue. So my people, the reason why our people they born, not be their fault. They say when man not see where go put in this thing, so he go do put on there, and as he don't put on there, something must come out. Where you not see money to go do abortion, so something go come out. Now they cost them. So the failure still lies on the government. So now still the government still be the confusion. So show other issues. I know sometimes I don't talk the one I don't talk last time about time. So if the people true they're ready to want him to come out. If a white man they do riot, they want come and do riot. They want come and say they want do riot. They want do revolution. If you catch one, all of them go join hand. Make sure say that one person they release and come out for that police hand. Because even the police of Nigeria know back. All those always they say that they can't make noise there. They themselves know say yes. That country need freedom. They know say not the function well. They know say even that their police station. If you look at the people where they enjoy out of where about 3,000 police day. Now the people they enjoy for that station, it not reach 10. So all other ones that they suffer. So not be said these people far not they chop their corn for belly or far not they warm not they chop food for their belly. They know what in day. So now just seriousness. I see you, Bishop. You are welcome to the house. Now they just want to see seriousness for the people body before they themselves go join. So until the people ready seriously, say they're serious, then they catch some one, na journalist, then they catch the other one, hey, leave am, some carry camera, they record them. You want to go put am for internet, say yes, see wetin PDP, see wetin Buhari regime do. When e be say Buhari not be the country, not be papa, not be inheritance, not be papa get am. The governor not be papa get the land. The land is for everybody. They say democracy. They say we supposed to have freedom of speech. At the end, nothing. This one at the same Buhari will be say when Lucky, the former president, did there. He campaign against them. In 2011, he campaign against Abiola, he campaign against Abiola, he campaign against many other persons for the same thing. He do the same thing. Nobody arrest him. Why can't be say can't reach in time? Now he can't they do, can't they arrest person, can't they use the military regime when say he no one use against Boko Haram. Now he talk and say he not be now it will say now when he did military, he know what he for don't do Boko Haram. But now he can't remember the military regime. He can't use it against poor people, innocent people. Where be say people they everywhere in Nigeria, then they all bush. Then they shoot everybody, shoot anybody, shoot all cars, they shoot everybody, anyone they see that they kidnap people, and no police they go there. I watch the other one. They go the people, the guy saying he escape finish, whether from Igbo side or Warri side. If he escape, go and reach where police they. Reaching the entire police, tell the soldier, he tell and say, see what they have for front. He say he no, they know. He say, but they not fit go there. My people, more now they look all these things. So, do where they go do riot, you or one go do a revolution, make una prepare well first. If una never prepare, make una forget about this idea of a revolution. If una really ready, everybody need to come together. And they always want to quickly choke mouth for these things. The problem what we get for Nigeria, now this same Yoruba and Igbo na create them. Igbo people, my Igbo family where they here, Yoruba family, I beg make una understand this idea of say I they talk to Yoruba, they talk to Igbo. Me, I not get division, I not get anyone will be saying this one are my tribe. All we all are one. Anybody we don't get good heart, we a bit think where you be my family, you be my blood. But those are not they think where. Now be our enemy. Now be people the same person where they spoil the land. Now enemy to the land. So these people, because of greed, if you look at the Yoruba thing today now, you go Yoruba land, you go see Muslim for inside there. You go see mosque, you see everything for inside there. If you go Igbo, you will see this division inside there. Now they still say themselves. Now the same thing, these are the three major tribes where the whole world know. Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa. These people then saw that every good thing. Then sell out themselves, then give Hausa. And if you look Hausa people, they be mumu well that time. The people wey come dey power, they be mumu well that time. Make Hausa people pardon me. Not those ones wey dey learned. Not those ones. Una bet those ones wey learned. Una know wetin they talk. Say na try they talk. So this Igbo and this Yoruba then do. Yoruba no wan leave Igbo, make Igbo take charge. Igbo no wan leave Yoruba, make Yoruba take charge. Now they take do. They come open Hausa my eye. Come open Hausa my eye. Say for the Yoruba to carry or for Igbo to carry, more give Hausa. Now they give all this power to Hausa people. Till date now, Hausa people don't test and then who don't when you test what they sweet, you go one comot. So they don't wise. They can't they go school. They don't know the book where we be like if you come Edo State, now Asian people really they go school for Edo State where we know. Because of Abu Sali and all that things. And even in police, if you reach Lagos, you go see some people well for police. Because of this same greed, this same thing now, they carry and do. For me to give Edo, for me to give Urobo, for me to give the other tribe, may we kukuma live and for then carry and go the some go they form friend with some answer, some go they form friend with some else, all of them before you knew it. Now they take lose them. Today they can't create problem. If they pay me, we will be Edo, we them call Bende. It's hard time we supposed to understand this to say we are not this people we be not be one before. It's our time we need to go make we face our own by ourselves. Make we use wetin God take bless our land. Make we begin use until they leave. Than for us to come they walk under these people, come they cause confusion for us, come they destroy us. So it not make sense. It not supposed make them just enter our land, come they kill our people. You see them just enter our land, come they shoot people, they kill people anyhow for no reasons. Because of this their greed. So this same greed when they talk, it don't tell where they happen. Now it's they happen to date. So these two tribes, it go dey difficult for them to make anything work for us. So my people, if you understand me, you go understand. If you don't understand, I beg God make it let you understand what I'm saying. Because I say the way it is. Because this life, God be just creator. Make we come this world, come enjoy. When time reach, when you hold, you go back. You change to the same dust where you come from, you go back. But these days, you go see say, because of greed, because of power, pikin wey you never born, you go see somebody go dey struggle, for property. You go dey struggle for property the way pikin wey you never born, wey you never even born, wey you know say you never even, the spend sef never even prepared. Go dey keep am down for am. Wey you no know, within from now till 20 years or 50 years, not be the kind of car wey you dey see now, not being go dey exist again. You go dey keep all this property down. You go dey keep all those houses wey you never know whether all these bellable leave now they wan continue dey do window. You don't know whether now they wan start now. So my people, all this is where we drop this idea. You way the reason they go another place. The problem where we get now, we never ready. Revolution thing never ready. If you ready, you go know. The one wey me see now, I see and say never ready. No musician they sing about time. Nobody they now let the actors, the actress, I they see am. That Yehu Nessie, that Peter Doshi pikin. If you watch it, you see say then they act time about wetin dey happen. But now they watch all these people, all those Nollywood, some of them they act time. They show the rubbish way the government they do. So now it's just for the government to know. We need Biafra because Nigeria is a valuable country. Lie. Thank you, brother. You are right. Now lie. Since 1960 they have been lying. Me too. I don't tell when I did this word. I know wetin happen. Wetin did happen. So, but if you need Biafra, my brother, oye best. If you need Biafra, talk to your people. Your people wey dey police. Your people wey dey hold better position for DSS. These people wey don dey position of the presidency, wey be your people. If they say now fit see where go bury all these people for better, now there una Biafra for exist. Cause now una now they kill una selves. So the Biafra team, una work on una self. Both some all these people will be the same tribe with una. Now that they kill una self. So you know if you work. So drop that issue of Biafra. Fair fight in house. Destroy those things, those small but those small witches with they in house before now they talk about Biafra. So my people, God bless you all. God bless you all spiritually, physically. God bless you all. Obaya talk by na me matter. So I beg you, Ihimia Baba. Avi wona ni wa tuwe kini la wefen kini ni iPhone be kini ni ya. When he ari yo when ya dueki. When ya dueki vi yobe. When ya dueki vi yobe ruda ugasi ani ale bani. Ahwe yan ave de gbedo tuwe imweri malaria muyan ruda ameno de yo to ni omwemi ameno buhian. Eya ade yan gbe odo ade ba ni ahin ode mi ya ni ahin omuyan mi yaria. Ugbenso omuyan ne mi ni ahin ria. Edan mi yan o hame no hame government si yan gbe oriyan erere na ya oyo. Na ya oyo se oriyan hin na so ya ma hen mi ya o baba nu la wo. Mo be mi awe nu bu ekini. La owo be no da uya vo mama we o abo ekimeri oni mo ve do himia we be de na la owo si so mo e be se ni mane we ni agwali yo be na ya aka adu ekine nu be kini na mewe a mo sikito wa a me skuwa ara me satellite vani urupa to boaru o be to boa doyo iya me banki vani secret police station rivani agele boy amede kantowo igota agele aleve no heki e drillage ole ya me park ni bieka na ya ku ije money vie mori ki yan bi ari park bi yan ya ku we park yan te demire security agba ogiyan la o ge aje be ti oni boy na me ri ke fani yan e dan me yan baba wese oba atope he said. So my people, Wesley, I thank you. The end of all this greed is 6 feet. Nothing more than that. Thank you. You really they understand me. The end of all, now just 6 feet. If you know say you want to add a word to them, just right time I go add you because I want to go now. So the end of it all is just 6 feet. So my people, they do this kind of thing. You not call me sis, now you won't call me. So please, my people, I take God beg una make we all understand Yoruba and Igbo is the problem. Really, you see am. If anybody will not understand, just tell me, say, give me, make I use one day, take on, expose things to una. But now see how these two tribes, these two people, these two tribes, they destroyed that Nigeria. Till date, now we still there now. No head, no tail. All these people now create the problem. This same greed. If you see how someone come and say, if you give your Igbo man position, you go just come, they do many business, they'll come be like Oga for inside. And now they don't give the Hausa people now the power. Can't reach there now, since we get the independent. Tell me one thing we don't achieve. Every government comes in, we heard about refineries. We heard about infrastructures. We heard about now so can't the gun this thing where they build for power thing. What did they call him? Fire share, what's his name? He promised say within 6 months we go get light. But can't check now for many years now. Not what them fit do. And China, don't tell them before. China today now, they build a big solar power. Now they build for themselves. Where we say they want to give themselves light. We know they build nothing. We know they construct nothing. We know they manufacture nothing. All we know how to do now to arrest innocent soul, to thief our money, bury inside ground. Go buy one jeep, 150 million. One jeep, then go buy 10. They stall them. Pack all their people wey be say no know nothing, wey not even know what it be custom. Carry soldier man come put as the head of the custom. Tell me whether na war that they fight for custom service. Tell me how we'll take get better, where be say things go work. Carry education, sport. Carry soldier go put for person wey go be minister of sport. Carry education, go give soldier, go give Boko Haram make it take charge. Carry common people wey dey train cow, go put for education sector. Where things go work. Not be the same tribe, this same Yoruba and Igbo, not being sell this thing to wey make say all this thing can't happen. God bless you all. Thanks for your time and continue to remain blessed. Till next time. Wahia Wesin. I salute you, Jeremy, soon. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your concern. I salute you all. Jerry. I salute you, Nusa. God bless you. Thanks a lot. God bless you a lot. Isosa. No, this is your name and everything you write. Let me quickly see what you write here. You say NNPC, ROC, ISNA, NDP, NPT, Ilia. If you want, I want to read that as French. So that word where you write IL, now they call it Ilia in French. So I know how to read that. So all is still on a party. They are all criminal. Yes, I know all this name. You just make sure all of them, they're still inside there, and we are fighting. Okay, Prince, you want me to hide you? Let me quickly check on you. Let me quickly check on you. Then you bring yourself in, Prince Ben, so that I'll feel hard you. You have to come in, then I'll add you because I don't see you here now. I only see my brother John Coker and Kevin Isibo. So if I see you there, I'll add you. So please, I salute you, Wesley. Thanks a lot. God will bless you richly. I thank you for your love. Thank you for your concern. They always did there. I beg. Wait, one way that they always beg una. Dani Yaji and Niger Pass. Me, I not get enemy. My message is for everybody and it's for good. Una put for hair. Una free to carry on. It's not good all of us can't create this thing put for everywhere. If it can't too much, they make sense again. So since una few ways they feel carry on, more they carry on. Carry my own. My message is for everybody and it's for the betterment of the country and it's for everybody. If everything good is for everybody, me I know they do my own say make anybody come pay me. I'm doing it for God himself because I know say I don't want to be like pastor where they chop your own reward for this earth. I want to make my reward there heaven. If there is heaven according to the waiting we meet, because they say now waiting we meet. I don't want to be like some people where they lie, say God asked me to tell you, God asked me to do this, God asked me to do that. The same Bible tell us say no small lie. That one a lie. If you be man of God where they say God asked you to do this, you they lie against God. Because I don't know, I never see where God they talk to anybody. Where he talk apart from the one who read for scripture, when Jesus Christ appeared to Mary. So since all this while I never see, but I dey surprised say people they use that thing, come the lie. God will help us all. I thank you all, please. Let me quickly check Ben. I believe he has something to say, but Ben, Prince Ben, I don't feel see you. If to say I see you, I for add you. So let me let you see that I see your message, but I cannot see you to add in here. So I'm about to be leaving because I don't carry on our time. I don't waste most of my time, 1 hour, 20-something minutes, and you don't do much like that. So God bless you all. Thanks for your love. So if I want to talk about things where they affect us, our people, we want to do revolution, we now think twice. Everybody need to work to fight that evil spirit that they call greed. That na me know and pass, na me start am, na me be the head, na me don dey do am. Sometimes, no be you a starter, na him go do am well. That's why they can't give us that chapter where they call where David will be the junior. He can't become. Yeah, I never still see you. They say make okay, maybe I'll make you my friend. Maybe that's one because I be open now. Not feel add you. I don't see you for where then they add here now. And I open my request. So you can check. I open my request to add people, to add for broadcast. I already opened it down, but I cannot see you here. I only see my brother. So please, as they talk, they go. Because of time factor. So I think I will be leaving now. So I be they try to patient for you, make I feel add you, but I don't feel see. Let me check again. Like say, you never still come, my brother. So you never still come. I be want to add you, but I cannot see you. Please, let us all understand one thing about this life. You will get privilege. You will get the opportunities. Opportunities now for some certain reasons. If you make use of the opportunities and people are smiling, having a good message about you when you are gone or when you are not around or when you travel is a good thing. For people to have to say, thank God, this man don't come up for that office. Thank God, this man don't come up for this area. Thank God, that girl don't come up for this area. Thank God, that girl, that man don't die. It's very bad. Nothing like, oh, why would this person is not supposed to be this person? Now the heaven go look at you. So you where they use that name, God say this. God not the like small lie. God hate lies. God hate lies. Please drop that issue of God say this, God say that. Say that spirit that God put in you to always speak to you. That spirit or something. Because sometimes if you read the scripture too much, you go here say that we get two things where they speak through our heart. Which we can't call them one a devil, one a God. Now, so we by ourselves now, our thought be all these ones. So I take God beg una, make we all understand where they sit down for pulpit, make we begin change these ideas to start confusing people. Because if you look at this riot, revolution we are talking about today, it's supposed to start from even inside the church. Our church, they don't to oppress our church. Oh, Jesus Christ come from heaven, waiting we read for scripture or we see for television. He can't come. He can't free us. He can't give us power. He can't give us share with me. He can't give us wisdom. He can't give us knowledge to get power, to they do things by our own, to even do more than him. And so we read them. But today, they say reverse is the case. You go church today, pastor go they collect from poor people till they build for himself. Go they destroy many things. They go preach message we're not supposed to. As the government, they frustrate everybody. So the topic supposed to be about the pastor. Supposed to be about the topic supposed to be about the government, about the system, how to fix the system. Not be always how to continue to they pray. Who they hungry go they give. Who's not get go they give to one man. It not make sense. God bless you all for your understanding. I see you, my brother Dumaze. God bless you. You come in late. God continue to bless you, continue to protect you. And they always see your handwork. May God continue to strengthen you. I thank you, our brothers and sisters. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your time. May God continue to bless you. Until next time. Bye-bye.